Subtitles by Dimatorzok. So hello friends. This is the channel of Eurasian Construction Equipment Plantal. Today, I want to tell you about one of our equipment. This is Multipress 200. This equipment is used for bending of various profiles, bars. We use it to produce some valves for hydraulics, i.e. to bend various fitting. We also receive orders up to the manufacture of handles for all sorts of boxes. That is, this press can be suitable for any company that is engaged in furniture production. We have recently ordered this multi-press from a company that is engaged in street furniture, including benches, railings and so on. Well, this multi-press can also chop different metal, make holes, bend. So it's called it for a reason. We called it a multi-press because in principle it is a very versatile equipment which is limited in production only by your imagination. Roughly speaking, in any enterprise, in principle, it is necessary. I will say more. We sold such presses even, roughly speaking, in the tire shop. That is, it turns out there's something to tamper with, something to bend. They are bought by various enterprises that are engaged in metal structures, metal products. So that is, it is quite an oversized unit, which takes up little space, requires only one operator, and it can even be used to run entire lines for the production of, well, various small things. Roughly speaking, I believe that, or i.e. this equipment is necessary for absolutely any enterprise which is engaged in machine building, which is engaged in metal construction, metal products, in general, everything that is connected with metal. If this is your profile, you just super need this equipment. And on it also go various sets of tooling. The tooling is very easy to change, and we supply the tooling accordingly. If you have any unusual requests, unusual profiles, we will design, manufacture, and supply this tooling together with the multi-press. So friends, we always have this equipment in stock. So at the link in the description will be all the detailed information, contact and data of our company. You can leave a request there or call us immediately, and a specialist will advise you on the timing, cost and capabilities of this equipment. Thank you for your attention.